government coordinator, teachers and students. My name is Pradeep and I am your anchor for today's assembly, conducted by Grade V Hazel. Welcome to brand new day full of new opportunities and possibilities. Let us ask for the grace and blessing from Almighty God by offering prayer. We pledge homage to the flag of our country and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, individual with liberty and justice for all. So now I call Utesh for the pledge.
Stretch your arms forward.
Let's come to this. India is my country. And I am. India is my country. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am. Proud of its faith and merit heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity, a long life, my happiness. Jai Hind. As we start this new day, let us have the motivational message by Chandra saying to a start.
Is brought to you by Chandra from 5th B Hazel thought. Every day is a new beginning, smile and start again. I repeat it again. Every day is a new beginning, smile and start again. Thank you. My name is Arjun. Today international national news is brought to you by young kids from Grade V Hazel. International news. Israel strikes 12 members in Gaza, including 2 children, one pregnant woman died. International news. American flag raised in US embassy in Venezuela are the first time. Thank you. Have a good day. Now I am going to name your wonderful, meaning, very good and amazing. Friends, please spell out the name. Wonderful. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L. Wonderful. Meaning, very good and on this land is golden. Yes, you picked the right answer and answer next. Thank you. Let us